What's up, Voro riders? Today I'm in China and I'm here to check out our Project Daytona. This is the Project Daytona. Almost a production unit. Not the production unit yet, but it's almost fully ready. So over here I'm talking to the engineers. Before I came to the factory, the scooter was designed with an 11-inch tire. But this is the moment that I realized it's supposed to be a 13-inch scooter. Ready? I already told them 4,000, bro. The Daytona packed so much new tech. It was supposed to launch at 4,500. But I fought with the factory to squeeze it down. I told them if we can't make it under 4,000, Voro won't sell it. Oh, it's not that space.
这分数，这个是有机氧化。
里面的灯只有这个颜色对吗？
它有。
是灯条吗？还是那个？灯条。灯条。它那个是。Is it gonna load? Yeah, the refresh rate is very slow. That's why it's very low.
Oh, okay, okay.
更是调制的话，哦，会容易导致这样掉下去。
四个螺丝松掉之后就把这个进去。
哦，OK，
后续会增加这个。
哦，OK。那客户可以调到这里对吗？
对，最低是。
哦，过了这里就不行。Looks way better than the one that I've seen in CES. Everything is much more polished all around. Okay, check out this steering damper. It's so easy to use. Now I'm adjusting it to 16 notches. It's super stiff, and this steering damper is way better than most steering damper that I've seen. Very easy to adjust.
But actually bigger than wildest. Turn off.
现在是因为调制的不只是刚刚到温的话，你下午的话，我可以把它那个档位。
I think the bike has potential.
Be careful, be careful. Be careful, it's high jump. Stand maybe how depends on the documents.
Is that kick sensor or no sensor?
Can have different. All spec.
Yeah, it's the height.
Horseback.
Okay, the seat, can you make it like
Bigger,
it's
wider.
too narrow already?
Yeah. Oh, so
Tight, tight.
maybe we go come back. No.
The way you sit,
Yeah.
you want it to be wider.
Yeah.
For him, you want it to be shorter.
Oh, okay.
So it's all perception of rider. Right? So we are just taking this feedback from their side and modifying it. Right now, the seat is gonna be same size as Altis. This one. The frame is gonna be slightly bit more wider.
Yeah.
And the seat is gonna be somewhat like this. It's gonna be somewhat like this.
I see. Oh, this way. Okay.
This line you see, this line,
Yeah.
exactly, that way we will get it over here. And
Yeah.
we will have this, even we are actually, this is a primary shroud. We will even take his feedback, rider's feedback and understand if they want to extend it, we'll extend it.
Okay.
If they want to bring it down this way,
Yeah.
like Altis, we can do that. No problem.
那你觉得这样子为什么不好？哦，
这里夹的话，刚好它护具是只到这里，这些是空的。这样夹是会脚会痛，骑起来。
哦，
时间长了。
因为你穿的裤子不一样，
对，
但是如果你穿普通的裤子呢？
这个要比普通的要
厚。
而且这个姿势变化的时候不是很顺利。但是脚感。
哦，OK。Can you sit this one? Yeah.
5'11", I have flat foot in this one. Actually, for tall guys,
Yeah.
it's too short.
Yeah.
8'40", it's too short. If you ask any feedback about Altis, one is too short,
Yeah.
maybe.
No, but you know why people like it short? No, people are short, bro. There's a lot of short people too. No, really. Do you see how many people are changing to 17 by 17 supermotos? If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next one. Let's go!